In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can connect YouTube to EA Arts. So go to youtube.com, and from here we wanna click on our icon in the top right corner. And then from here, we wanna navigate to settings. So click on settings. So from the left-hand side, we wanna select connected apps. And as you can see, we have the electronic arts option right here. Now, what you need to know is that you need to be on your brand's account. That basically means that your main account needs to be selected. So from here, we see EA, we want to click on continue. As you can see, connect account and watch approved events and videos for a chance to win in-game rewards. So click on connect, continue. And basically all we have to do here is log in with your account information, and you just get a button to verify that you actually want to connect YouTube to EA, to your EA account. And that's really how you do it. It should say connected after you're done with this. So I'm not going to do it right here, but that's how you connect EA to YouTube. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you guys next time.